American Civil War Museum. So it's a museum, and this is historic Tredegar in Richmond city. So right opposite to this museum we have James River. And behind this museum, that's a downtown. So this is the downtown of Richmond. So let's walk on the Tyler Porterfield Memorial Bridge, which is right on James River. Occurred during 3 days in April 1865, when the city fell to the Union Army after 4 years of civil war. Better lay the whole city in ashes than give the enemy one drop of acid and comfort. One drop of aid and comfort. Kate Mason Rowland, Confederate nurse. Oh, I think they followed her advice and they set the Richmond on fire during Civil War. Richmond downtown from this bridge. Those two buildings are federal buildings. The next one is Dominion Energy. You see the railway track and the railway trail is going on with I think it's a coal from West Virginia. Yeah, it's a coal from West Virginia. All these carts are filled with coal from West Virginia. One of my favorite states, of course, West Virginia. Country mama, take me home. I think Richmond is burning, the sky is red. Union soldier to General Edward Ripley. This is Virginia War Memorial. It's right behind the Civil War Memorial. Tell all who enjoy freedom of the deeds and sacrifices required for the freedom to flourish. Virginia War Memorial, World War II, Korea, Vietnam, Persian Gulf. So where is World War I? So in World War I, the Virginians did not take part in the war? This memorial, erected by the Commonwealth of Virginia, commemorates the service and sacrifice of all Virginians during World War II, Korea, Vietnam and Persian Gulf. So according to this, the Virginians did not take part in World War I. So I just spoke with this museum in charge person, and he said that yes, there is US took part in World War I, but the thing is there is a separate building in a different section of this city, and it is not part of this particular war memorial. So that's why they don't have the World War I related names here.